Imagine you place your mobile, purse or other important item on table. And the moment someone removes it, your system instantly detects it. Today I will show you how to build a smart security monitoring system using ESP32-CAM plus Python plus OpenCV. So let's begin. For this project, we will require the ESP32-CAM module. Open the Arduino IDE. Go to File, Example, ESP32, Camera, Camera Web Server. Choose AI Thinker camera model. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Now upload the code. After upload, open the serial monitor. You will get the IP address. This IP address will be used in Python code, both for ROI Picker and monitoring system. Then open the command prompt and install these libraries. These libraries help in camera stream capture, image processing, and detection system. You can see I have already installed these libraries. Here you can see I have placed a purse, AirPods, and mobile phone on the table. These are the objects that I will monitor using the ROI Picker tool. Using the ROI Picker, I can draw separate rectangles around each atom and assign names to them. Once the zones are selected, the system will continuously monitor these objects in real time through the ESP32-CAM live feed. Now run ROI Picker tool. This tool lets you draw a rectangle on objects. For example, first I draw a rectangle across the earbuds. After drawing it, ask object name. Type any name you want. Similarly, I draw the rectangle across the purse and name it. I repeat the same steps for the mobile phone. These zones are automatically saved in sports.json. Now run the main Python monitoring code. As soon as the program starts, it connects to the ESP32-CAM and begins displaying the live camera feed in real time. The system continuously captures frames from the camera and compare each new frame with the previously stored baseline reference image. Whenever an object remains in its assigned zone, the system recognizes that no significant change has occurred and displays safe. This means the object is still present and monitored area is secure. However, if someone removes the object shifts it significantly or the monitored zone becomes empty, the system detects the visual difference between the live frame and the baseline image and then immediately changes the status to removed. For example, AirPods removed, purse removed, mobile removed. Each selected rectangle or monitoring zone works independently, meaning the system checks every object separately. If one object is removed, only that specific zone triggers an alert, while the other continues showing safe. This allows you to monitor multiple valuable objects at the same time using a single ESP32-CAM. For example, you can place one camera in front of a desk and monitor a mobile phone, AirPods, purse, and other objects. So that's how you can build a smart security monitoring system using ESP32-CAM, Python, and OpenCV. With this project, you can monitor multiple valuable items in real time and instantly detect if any object is removed from its place. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts or improvements, subscribe for more ESP32, Arduino, AI and Python projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.